These are the elevators at the Home2 Suites by Hilton in Tampa, Florida. This is the location that's right next to USF's campus. These are Schindler 3300 elevators, by the way. Here we are at 4. Here's a little look at the hallway that is. Let's call it. Yeah, then there's the hallway. There's your call button. Let's go down the 1. Here is your cab view. We'll switch cars up on 2. This way we can get a look at an intermediate call station. And also the desk is right around the corner from 1. Actually, let's send this one up to 4. Now let's ride this set, or this elevator right here. Let's start by going, what should we do? Let's go up. And you got a sign right there, it says elevator lobby. So, and also here's a map right here. There's your lantern. Let's go up to 4. There's your inspection certificate, by the way. Here's your cab view. I think this elevator is a little smaller than the other one. I want to say the other one was 3,500 pound capacity, and this one's 25, but I don't remember. Let's take this one for one more ride. Let's go 4. Again, Schindler 3300 elevators. Let's watch the button go out. If my camera focuses, there we go. The phone button is actually above the door close button. So is the alarm, which I feel like a lot of people are going to end up pressing the phone button by mistake. But yeah, that's how they designed it. Also the alarm button, try not to press it. It's kind of in a little crooked, as you can see there. There it goes. And that'll be it.